Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we're playing an indie game made in Unity on itch.io called The Magic Swamp. Okay, looks odd, but sure. Okay, well it says, welcome to the Magic Swamp. Reunite Nessie, the pink frog, with her family and speak to 110 frogs along the way. 110 frogs. Okay, well I must use left mouse button to talk to us. I'm assuming WASD to move. Yeah. Alright. Guess what my favourite type of music is? Grunge. I write a frog blog about eggnog. I bet you do. I'm Frogalicious, baby. Debatable. Transform.lookat. That's what that is. Yeah, that's right, I'm green. Buddy, you're yellow. Idiot. Raising a frog isn't easy. I wouldn't know, to be honest. Hello. I feel so croaking relaxed. Do I have to talk to all of them? I've been waiting ages for my turn in the bath. Even the juiciest fly can't beat a hot bath. Right. I haw a fly in my mouth. Sure. I'm invisible. Mate, I can see you. I can see loads in the distance. Hello. Hello, I'm Nessie. Please help me find my family. There are only the pink frogs around. I'll follow you. Okay, so just repeat over and over. Come on then. Oh yeah, you are following me. Okay. Howdy, it's me, your best friend. Okay, so they do say the same thing over and over. Frogs, I'm the best. No, I'm the best. They're both wrong, I'm the best. Ugh, get a room, froggies, get a room. Kissy, kissy. Yeah, I already know you're Nessie. I actually meant to talk to... Shut up. Okay. I'm not sure if I want to talk to all these frogs. Hello. The other one tells the truth. One tells the truth. Whatever. Wow, that is a lot of frogs over there. All jumping up and down in sync. Not NSYNC, obviously not that. Okay, I'm just going to go talk to this big frog. Oh, I can jump. Alright. Hello. I am the massive swamp. Sure. Hang on, where's Nessie gone? Oh, there. Right. Look at the reeds. Okay, kind of like the music. I just hope it's not copyright. Oh, I saw a big pink frog. Should I go to the big pink frog? I'm going to go to the big pink frog. Hello. We all say the same thing. Oh, I bet you do. Except for him, he's jumping out of sync. See? I knew it. Oh, look! Oh, we found Nessie's family. Morons. They look really creepy. I'm going to talk to you. Ribbit. And then I'm going to talk to you. And then talk to you. But we're here. I don't have to talk to all frogs, do I? To actually complete the game. I don't think I have the patience to talk to 110 frogs. The ones I've spoken to seem like idiots. So I don't feel talking to the rest is going to be of any use. Well, I'll tell you what I'll do. No. Can I go through the reeds and talk to these idiots? I cannot. I can jump over the rock. Yep, that's definitely transformed. Look at. And the reason I know that is because when you walk over them, they go flat. Hey, I'm still on top of him. Take that, you dumb frog. Way. Okay. Nessie's found her family. Jimmy weirdly enjoyed that a little bit. But okay, yeah, whatever. That was the Magic Swamp. Give a thumbs up if you liked it, give a thumbs down if you didn't, but let me know in the comments why you didn't like it. It's always good to know. It's good feedback for the developer as well to find out why you didn't like that game. Yep, link is in the description below if you want to have a go yourself. I've been Jimmy Vegas, this has been the Magic Swamp, and thank you very much for watching.